morning. So right now I'm gonna work out. So yes, let's go. So guys, I am back for breakfast. I took my shower, fed my daughter, clean up and everything. So I'm gonna have solo bread. Yes, my favorite bread right now. Pricey but really good, you should try it. And then I'm gonna have this 100% peanut creamy natural peanut butter. It has only 2 net grams of carbs, and also it's healthier than the other one. We do have the other one, but Fred uses that because he's not gonna like this doesn't have sugar. It's just really like all natural products and stuff. So yeah, so like the protein, 8 grams of protein for like, ooh, that's a lot of protein. But you know what, that's what I'm gonna have instead of having eggs. I was gonna do eggs, but I was like, you know what, I'll just have this. And then I'm gonna make myself Lipton. I'm gonna show you guys, just give me a few minutes. So I'll be having this Lipton iced tea, but I'm gonna make it hot, and then I'll put in a little bit of vinegar. I love that taste, that like taste it gives. And then I have my sweetener here. I'm using the organic all-purpose stevia blend. I like this because it doesn't have what do you call it, it doesn't have, there's this thing called, it's bad for keto. It doesn't have that. The product here is just organic erythritol, organic stevia leaf extract, organic natural flavor. So these are like all natural and it's organic. Also, yeah, so that's what I'm gonna have, just simple breakfast. My hands are clean already, so I'm gonna have just 2 slices of bread. It's right here. Put it in the toaster. So guys, this is my breakfast. This is the tea right here, and then my breakfast. Yo, keep my love. So I put it in like little pieces. It's just like, it looks like a lot, but yeah. Tastes really good. I shouldn't have added the almond milk because the vinegar makes it like weird. So when I'm drinking the black Lipton tea, I like it to have like the white, like the tea color, like not that dark, not like the black one, just like. But the fact that I added vinegar into it, it makes the milk looks weird. So yeah, so I'm gonna eat off camera. I'll see you guys during lunchtime. Hey guys, so I'm back again. Sorry, excuse the greasy face. I've been in the kitchen. I was trying to make something for Fred. I'm making mashed potatoes and some veggies on the side, and some kind of barbecue stewy pepper chicken. So with that said, now I'm hungry. I wasn't hungry before. My face looks so oily because I've been standing ever since. So now I'm gonna have taco in the bowl. That's what I am gonna have. I already have my taco meat in here, so that's what I'm gonna have. I'm starving, like seriously. I wasn't really that hungry before, but now I'm really hungry. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do. Give me a few minutes. Let me get my space situated. I have everything I was using to cook right there. Let me just get that sorted out, then I shall. So guys, here is the meat. We had taco last night, so this is the leftovers. So I'm just gonna have like 1, 2, 3, 4 spoons of this. Okay, so 4 spoons of the meat right here, and then I add in like, let's say a 1/4, which is perfect. Add it in there. So I put this in the microwave for like, let's say 1 minute or so. But that is that. So I'm gonna take like let's say 1 cup of this, or like not 1 cup, half a cup of this. So I'll use half a cup of this. There you go. I'll just put it in there. And then I'll get like half of an avocado. Hopefully it's good. Voila, so it's perfect. So I'm gonna have this half here. I'm gonna have like a tablespoon of tablespoon of mayonnaise. No, it's so I'm just gonna stir it around. And voila, this is it right here. It's really good. I had this yesterday, so it was really good, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna be good. I didn't have it with the avocado, so yeah. So this is what I'm gonna have for lunch right now. So guys, I am back from the gym, took my shower, and yeah, got my daughter situated. Now I'm gonna just eat something really small, not something really big. Like I would have like just gone to bed like that, but I feel a little bit hungry, so I'm just gonna eat something like really light. So what I'm having, I'll show you guys just a minute. So I have this tortilla right here. I'm gonna put a little bit of mayonnaise and some cheese and put it in the oven. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna take like just that, like let's say 1 teaspoon, and then I'm just gonna spread that. Yeah, I add this on it. So here you go. I'll put this in a foil paper and then put it in the oven. So I'm gonna put it in this foil paper right now, and just like that. So this is what I'm having. So I put it in the oven for like, let's say I'll leave it for 5 minutes and I'll bring it out. So I'll show you guys what it looks like when it comes out from the oven. So guys, I decided to make myself a green tea. So I'm using this Lipton green tea. It's purple aca blueberry. So it has zero, everything is zero, like right here. So I'm just gonna put it in here. And I'm gonna add just 2 spoons of this apple cider vinegar. So I'm gonna do, and then a pinch of my sweetener right here. I put this in the microwave a little bit because I just don't have the time to boil the water, so I'll just put it in the microwave. This is it right here. So this is what I'm gonna have. I'm gonna divide it into 4 pieces, and then yeah, that's what I'm having right here. It looks really good. Just keep this. So yeah, my mini pizza, and I have here some green tea right here, blueberry green tea. So that's what I'm having. It looks so good. Look at that, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I hope this video is inspiring to you guys out there. Yeah, that's all I have for today. Bye guys, love you.